everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, a huge welcome to the family. You have officially landed at the beginning of our biggest adventure yet. Today you are getting the very first look at our newly purchased home. Now I'm gonna be real with you, it is a total blank canvas right now. We've got a whole lot of work to do, from painting and deep cleaning to designing the interior and making it actually feel like our home. So if you love DIY, renovations, and a little bit of chaos, you are in the right place. Please smash that like button and subscribe right now so you don't miss a single step of this transformation. Let's get to work. Choosing colors was very tricky because we didn't want the house to feel rough. We used a bunch of samples to see how the light hits each room. Ultimately, we decided on one continuous color for the kitchen, the lounge, and the spare rooms. That way, your eyes travel seamlessly through the shared spaces. But the main bedroom, that's a sanctuary. So we broke the rule there and picked a unique color just for that space to change the mood. When you are installing a custom TV unit, the difference between okay and amazing usually comes down to two different things, and that will be your measurements and the material. As you may have already picked up, we love a good DIY, but for something this permanent, we wanted it to be done right. So we made arrangements with a company that specializes in TV units to come in and take measurements and just walk us through the final decisions of the design and the colors. We had appointments with 2 different curtain specialists, and it was really helpful. They brought all these beautiful samples and made it so easy to pick colors that perfectly complemented our new wall shades. I'll be honest, we really wanted to go fully automated. Smart curtains just feel so luxurious, but we were moving in at the end of the month and the timeline just didn't work out. Automated systems need time to order the specific stock and set up the mechanics, which we unfortunately didn't have. We used Galaxy curtains and blinds, and they were absolutely amazing. Give them a shout out, guys. If you want to use them, holla at me and I'll give you their contacts. And the quality of their work really speaks for itself. They saved the day on our timeline, and we couldn't be more happier.
Say something, I'm giving on you. I'll be there.
Secrets won't get through. There's no one
time stood still, just like a photograph you made me feel. That was my last forever looking in your eyes. I see.
Thank you so much for watching, family. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on part 2. See you then.